We are on the 30th floor, room 3051, and we're the last room facing the fountain. This is the queen double room. So when you enter the room, you have your light switch, and then to your left there is a closet which has some interesting artwork. There's two robes, your hangers, a safe. There is an iron and slippers. So when you close this mirrored closet, you have your bathroom. Dual sinks. You have this nice rack where you can store your stuff. A lot of counter space. Mirror here to do makeup. Then this is your toilet area, which has an interesting wallpaper. Then you have your shower. You can kind of see through the shower, but not like how the room was before it was renovated. Then you walk out. Then to your left, there is another mirror. And you get two luggage racks. Some hotels only have one. Two is great when you're traveling as a couple. And here, before, was a different minibar area. Now this is in a kind of a cabinet. So one side is the snacks that you have to pay for. And then on the bottom here is your own personal fridge, which is great to have because they never had this before. And then on this side, you have your water bucket and glass cups, and then their paid minibar. Okay. Then you have your queen bed and this interesting wallpaper. And this is the other side of the shower, the window. In the center here is your standard phone. And this lamp is great because it has power plus USB. So that's good. And they never had this before pre-renovation, but this is the room controls where you can turn on and off all the lights. And one drawer to store your stuff. Okay. This is your other bed. And then turning around, this is the 65-inch Samsung Smart TV, which is awesome. It's huge. You have all of this counter space. When you look here, these look all like drawers, but there's only 4 functional drawers. So these 4. So this, and this, these are drawers. The rest, they don't open. Then you have a piece of artwork. Then there's an iPad there for room controls. So you can adjust the temperature, access guest services. And next to the bed, there is a nice chair and a larger table compared to the previous room. The table was smaller pre-renovation. You have this interesting looking light. Interesting light. And here is the view. You can see Bellagio, the parking structure. Then you have what's down below. You might have some noise in the evening from the AC unit. As you look this way, out in the distance, you can see Gold Coast and Palms and the Rio. Out this way is that beautiful view, the Bellagio fountains. So in the background you can see the rest of the strip. Not as good as if you were in the Boulevard Tower, but still you can see the show, and this is really good as a viewpoint. This is the view from the room at night, and as you can see the fountain show at the Bellagio. You can see the Eiffel Tower and also the Link High Roller in the background. So it's really, really nice at night. See that? Very nice.